Welcome to day 7. You made it. 168 hours ago, your mind was fractured, your attention span was hijacked, and your focus felt entirely out of your control. You were a prisoner to the notification, the infinite feed, and the cheap dopamine spike. But you chose to fight back. You stepped away from the noise, crossed the boredom threshold, unlocked deep cognitive output, and redesigned your physical architecture. Look down at how far you've climbed. Today isn't just the final day of a challenge. Today is the first day of your new reality. Welcome to the permanent lifestyle shift. The reason 90% of self-improvement trends fail long-term is because people base them on a temporary behavior rather than a permanent identity. They say, "I am trying a dopamine detox for a week." The moment the week ends, their old identity takes over, and they fall right back into the loop. True progress happens when you change who you are. You are no longer a consumer desperately trying to resist scrolling. You are a focused creator who values their mind too much to poison it with digital junk. You don't need willpower to maintain this lifestyle anymore because distracting yourself would violate the very identity you built this week. You have upgraded your internal code. To ensure your mastery never fades, here is your permanent lifestyle blueprint moving forward. First, morning isolation. Protect the first 60 minutes of your day at all costs. Do not let an algorithm dictate your morning thoughts. Wake up, read, strategize, or exercise before you touch a screen. Second, the daily deep block. Keep executing at least one 90-minute block of pure, zero-input creative output every single day. Let this be your professional anchor. And third, weekly deceleration. Pick one evening or one full day every single week to completely unplug. Step outside, engage in real-world community. Leave the devices at home and let your brain breathe. This is how you stay sharp forever. In the modern world, focus is a superpower. Most people will live their entire lives asleep, constantly reacting to the next buzz, the next clip, the next dopamine hit. They are building someone else's empire with their attention, but not you. By finishing these 7 days, you have separated yourself from the crowd. You have joined the focused few. You now possess the rare capability to sit in a room, think deeply, solve hard problems, and create real lasting value. This capability will unlock doors, build businesses, and forge a life of true purpose. Never forget the clarity you found here on this mountain. Your final directive is to make this permanent. Commit to the blueprint, protect your mind, and live your life with absolute intention. You have successfully conquered the 7-day dopamine detox. Celebrate your final victory right now by leaving a Day 7 completed comment below. Let the community know your streak is fully locked in. Share your biggest breakthrough in the comments. Subscribe to anchor your place among the focused few. And remember, the static is gone. Now, go build. Stay resolute forever.